So we continue. So the harmony is moving, like semitone by semitone. Like this, with A flat. E minor with seventh and ninth. Again. Come back home, E minor. Again. This is the chord, semitone, one more. So I'm always making a little harmonic analysis when I'm playing a piece, as you know. So I always know what happens, and so my sensibility is more. I feel better. I feel better the music because I know which harmony I have. Of course, I feel it, but it's more. I continue. And come back. New color. And then you have some epilogue. E major. So it's written in harmonics, artificial flageolet. So I like to use the fifth. Gives. It's written in fourths, but I believe that the artificial flageolet in fifths are more free and more powerful. That's why I made a little conversion. So after this first part, we have presto.